The NGX on-share index continued the downward trend on Wednesday after shedding 0.5% to close at 50,188.55 index points at the end of the trading session. In the same manner, the market capitalization lost about 13 billion naira. The total volume traded on the floor of the exchange rose above 825.58 million units of shares and valued at 4.05 billion naira in about 4,885 deals. On the gainers chart, FCMB gained 10 kobo to close at 3 naira 10 kobo. NASCON followed suit with a 10 kobo gain to close at 11 naira 10 kobo. Also, NB gained 20 kobo to close at 47 naira 70 kobo. But on the flip side, Jay's Bank and Prestige led the chart with 8 kobo and 4 kobo loss to close at 72 kobo and 36 kobo respectively. Custodian and Maya lost 70 kobo and 25 kobo each to close at 6 naira 30 kobo and 2 naira 27 kobo in that order, while Qtix lost 22 kobo to close at 2 naira 25 kobo. Well, for further analysis, I'm joined by Olaide Banu, research analyst with Atlas Portfolio Limited. Hello, Olaide. Good to have you join us today.
Good afternoon, Professor. Thanks for having me.
All right. Now, the NGX all-share index actually continued this downward trend since Wednesday after shedding 0.5% today to close at 50,188.55 index points. Now, what do you think is responsible for this decline?
Yeah, the decline has been persistent over the past 7 sessions, and aggregately, since that past 7 sessions, the market has lost a total of 4.05%. And I believe this negative sentiment is impacted by the decline in the MTN shares largely, and you notice that MTN has been on the decline since Monday, and also the FX performance of the market is affecting the market also, and the fixed income rate, the expected Fed rate that will be decided today, is affecting the market generally, not only in Nigeria. Majority of equity markets over the world are on the decline. And if we believe, okay, yes, the decline is continue for a while, definitely will bounce back anytime soon.
All right. If I get you correctly, you're saying that we should expect a bounce back very soon. Is that correct?
Yeah, normally the market cannot continue the decline forever like that. So anytime from the market has declined so largely, we noticed that yesterday and today only 3 stocks had positive sentiment. Here we have, as of yesterday, we have 37 stocks that declined, and today we have 34 stocks that declined. So I believe this negative reaction is creating avenue for long-term investors to come into the market, taking position at cheaper price now.
All right. I like that you already mentioned the fact that we have 3 gainers yesterday and today. Then you also mentioned MTN. I remember on Monday, MTN lost some amount, and then yesterday it also lost some amount. That's a total of about 26 naira. That's the share price. And what exactly is responsible for this? I know you talked about the fact that this has started after a particular news, but let us hear more about that.
Yeah, we believe that the investors are reacting towards the information that came out last week that MTN are remitting about over 600 billion naira for their annual tax. That was as at year end 2021. But last week, Thursday, the MTN also came out to say they are remitting over 500 and over 700 billion naira to the FIRS. So, placing MTN as the most tax paying company in Nigeria, about 30% of the tax collected by the FIRS. So, this debunk believe okay is a positive step to MTN, but the news is actually like okay, having a negative reactions towards the particular stuff. No, we believe by the time MTN released their H1 report, which is expected to be good, the stock will bounce back during that period. I think it will create a kind of pushing effect for investors.
All right. Now let's talk about the gainers charts now. FCMB gained 10 kobo to close at 3 naira 10 kobo. NASCON gained same 10 kobo to close at 11 naira 10 kobo. And we also have NB gaining 20 kobo to close at 47 naira 70 kobo. Talk to us about the positive sentiments that these stocks are enjoying.
Just believe the bargain hunting towards the price of those stocks. Just the bargain hunting. They are just those stocks are just like lucky to be at the first side, because the majority of the stocks they are still here on the decline, except these three stocks. So it's definitely by bargain hunting the stocks.
When you say bargain hunting, I also understand that we have audience who probably do not understand what that means. Can you break that down? Maybe use the common man terminology or something.
I didn't get it clearly.
Okay, I was saying, when you say bargain hunting, some persons will be wondering what is bargain hunting. Can you help us break that down?
Okay, I can say it's a condition where we are trying to buy as low as possible, and the other person is trying to sell as high as possible. So probably because of the condition of the market, we say, okay, yes, let me just buy it at that particular price. Then, okay, yes, it's a good price for you. And the other seller is, okay, yes, it's a good price for you too. So it's like a win-win when you are trying to buy as low as possible, and the other person is trying to sell as high as possible. So that's just talking about the bargain hunting.
All right, that's okay. Let's talk about the decliners now. We have Jay's Bank, we have Prestige, and then we have Custodian. We have all of these stocks, losing. What's responsible for that?
Yeah, as I said, majority of investors are exiting their position from the equity. So that's what actually, if you look at Jay's Bank, Prestige, and Custodian, the price has remained so stagnant for a long period of time. So investors are taking profit. Exiting the position to go into other asset classes like FX, the fixed income environment also.
All right, that's quite interesting. Do you want to talk to us about QTIX specifically?
QTIX?
Yes.
Yeah, QTIX are industrial goods sector. Okay, it's probably because of some kind of negative reaction in the market generally. So there's nothing special about QTIX that, okay, it's too spectacular to make them be on the negative edge, but the market forces generally is affecting QTIX in the price.
All right, that's okay. Let's look at the fact that the market has been on a negative trend since last week, Tuesday. I know you talked about the fact that this should change very soon, but for how long do we have to wait, or do you think this particular trend will be sustained throughout this week?
Anything can happen between tomorrow and Friday, and then the fact that, okay, the price of many of the stocks are as low as very low compared to their fair value and the previous 52 weeks low also. So if you look at the likes of MTN currently doing at 190 naira, so to many investors it's a good buy for them, and each they create a kind of positive reaction towards that particular stock. And some other stocks also, the likes of GT, the likes of GTCO, Zenith Bank, doing around 19 naira now. So some investors may be seeing it as a good entry price for them. So we believe that, okay, this is going to be there will definitely be a bounce back anytime soon.
All right, thank you so much for sharing your thoughts with us. Olaide Ban, research analyst with Atlas Portfolios Limited.
Thank you for having me.
All right, that's a package and stock market report, and it's a wrap on the news at this hour. Many thanks for watching. I am Perpetua Fasami Peter. Bye for now.